Candace Carter Thoughts to go. I was not planning this, but I just can't resist. I can't resist trying to give you some impression of this flower. It's a peony. I've always loved peonies. It's just such, I mean, it's the two things. It's the light on the flower, and it's the flower itself, and I just think it's totally amazing. And then the thing is, I can't give you the beauty as much as I see the beauty, because photography is limited, and photography has its own rules. Now see, I'm going to be at the light to the back, which means I cannot really film to the front, but what I can do is turn the flower. It still doesn't look like it. It doesn't look like it. I'm going to take the flower over here. This is time of year where we have lots and lots of beautiful things to see, but this flower has just blown my mind. And I was going to film it in the morning, and I thought, my God, how long will it be like this? Not long. That's the beauty of it too. What? It's something that it's ethereal. It will leave, it will go. And I didn't know how long it was going to be this beautiful. So I had to film it now. I just had to. My brother wrote a poem once about our grandmother, about shaking the peonies, because peonies, ants love peonies, and ants get in peonies, and when you want to cut them and put them in your, put them in a vase, you have to shake them first because of all the ants. Now, I found this out yesterday. My neighbor, my friendly, wonderful neighbor, gave me peonies from her garden also. And I didn't shake them well, so, my son came in and said, there's ants on the floor. And I thought, oh yeah, that's true. There's ants on the floor. So, I don't know where to put her that I can show you this beauty. Maybe if I just hold it like this and then turn it, you can see. Amazing. Okay. Actually, that's all I wanted to say today. So, I wish you well until next time.